In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, select Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Finally, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need one, so to fix it, hit this gear. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on, log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. Then, with all of those settings visible, click this plus next to Search Passwords. Now input all of those informations. At the top, pick any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!